Hi, Kade.
There you go.
What did we do?
Watching footy.
No, what did we do?
Got a house.
You're not really cut out for this.
What?
You tried, it's okay.
Put me on the spot.
I told you before I started filming. Hey guys, so yes, excuse the way that I look right now. We've been working our bums off, but yeah, we got a house, so we are moving out for the first time. We also got a new baby. Our sweet girl here, baby Esther. She's not a baby, she's 11. We adopted her, but I've got a different video on that to tell you more about her, but she's beautiful. But yeah, so we've moved out for the first time. We've been staying here since Friday night. It's Sunday at the moment, but yeah, everything is in shambles. I knew it was going to be difficult, but I didn't know there would be so much stuff. So I'm just going to give you guys a house tour as it is right now. So we are renting to buy off my sister. So this is the front door. This is the lounge and stuff. When you come in, there's our baby. It's a mess right now, obviously, as I'm sure you can imagine. That's like the dining area and stuff, but we're still not sure what we're going to do. We have a kitchen, which is currently in the middle of being cleaned. So yeah, please just excuse the mess everywhere. We are just in shambles right now, but we're getting there. Laundry, which needs some TLC, but we will be doing that shortly. She's so beautiful. She follows us everywhere. So I love her. So yeah, then we have the hallway. Have a toilet in there. Bathroom, which I'm currently setting up all my things in at the moment. So yeah, halfway through like doing that. This is the room that is going to be my makeup studio. Got a fresh coat of paint today, so that's why this one's all shaded up. I've got all my Halloween costumes and stuff in the middle. So yeah, very excited to set that up. I was hoping to get it done this weekend, but it's just taken so much longer than I thought. This room is going to be Kade's gaming room. Oops, I need to replace the light, but this room is going to be Kade's gaming room. This is just our stuff from the studio, and this bed just is going to get taken out to the shed. And then this is our bedroom. So I've done a coat on these two walls. They look blue, but they're not that white, it's just the lighting. And then we need to patch these walls, take those things off the wall, and then all of this is going to be white as well. We've ordered some furniture for the bedroom, which is exciting. We got that off Amazon. So we're really going to do this process together. I have been filming, I have been filming vlogs and everything, so don't worry, nothing, you're not going to miss out on anything. Like, I really want you guys to be here for the process. This is such a, it still doesn't feel real, so it doesn't even feel like a big deal at the moment, but it is a massive deal. You guys have been watching me on here since I was a little baby, since I was 17. So yeah, I really want to bring you guys along for this process. I'm so excited. I think the new studio is going to be absolutely amazing. We're going to pick up Tilly tonight. She's just been staying at my mum and dad's for the past 2 nights, but I've still been going and seeing her every day. Obviously mum and dad literally live like a street over, so it's not bad. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. Out of there, out of there. She's trying to eat the KFC that we got. Go! Stop it. So yeah, I've disappeared from socials for like a little while, like a couple of days, just because we've been flat out in here sorting things out. So yeah, lots more videos to come, super exciting ones. So thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for supporting me, and if you want to see me add pretty things to my house, subscribe to my Patreon so I can afford them. No, but thank you guys so much. There will be a lot more videos coming with house stuff and decorating and all the other stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.